What if I told you there are AI tools that can help you earn money online, even if you have no experience? Today I'll show you 7 AI side hustles you can start for free. Number 1. AI content writing. Businesses, bloggers, and website owners need content every single day. You can use AI to help write blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and social media captions much faster. You don't need to be a professional writer to get started. Learn the basics, improve the AI's output, and offer your services on freelance platforms. Number 2. AI thumbnail design. Every YouTuber needs eye-catching thumbnails. With free AI, image, and design tools, you can create professional-looking thumbnails in minutes. Build a small portfolio, then offer thumbnail design services to creators. Number 3. AI video creation. Many businesses want short videos for social media, but don't know how to make them. AI can generate scripts, voiceovers, visuals, and even edit videos. You can create content for clients, or start your own YouTube channel. Number 4. AI voiceover services. If you don't like using your own voice, AI voice generators can create natural-sounding narration. Offer voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, audiobooks, or presentations. Number 5. AI presentation design. Students, business owners, and teachers often need professional presentations. AI can help you create beautiful slides quickly. You simply edit the final result and deliver it to your client. Number 6. AI resume and cover letter writing. Job seekers are always looking for help to improve their resumes. AI can speed up the writing process while you customize each document for the client. It's a simple service with consistent demand. Number 7. AI automation setup. Small businesses want to save time by automating repetitive tasks like emails, customer replies, and appointment scheduling. Once you learn a few no-code AI automation tools, you can charge clients to set up these systems. Here's the truth. AI won't make you rich overnight. But if you learn one valuable skill and consistently improve it, AI can help you work faster, serve more clients, and increase your income over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which AI side hustle you're planning to start first. I'll see you in the next video.